Always unity. Contemplative experience can emerge in times of collective crisis. Crisis contemplation begins with what you call the communal, village, or tribal experience of crisis. Experience of crisis at the individual level is critically important, and we don't want to discount that. But you are invited to frame and understand how crisis can be experienced at the communal, tribal, national, and global levels. For a group of people, crisis contemplation is an event without warning. The people upon whom it is inflicted can't do anything about it. Something else must arise to keep you going, to enliven your spirit. Crisis contemplation is that spirit that emerges when the breaking occurs. We find it in every single culture, a spirit that dwells within all of us. It is that vital spiritual voice that weaves the lives of all of us into an inseparable bond. It makes reality one whole. It gives kinship to all of us. With the moving of the Spirit, it is inherent to our being, for where the Spirit abides, there is always unity. Rest in the great peace.